Hi everyone, so for this week's discussion post, I chose topic number 4, and it says, in what ways do you and your friends or colleagues use Web 2.0, including activities unrelated to school, and what potential do you see in these technologies for online learning? So in our presentation, they described Web 2.0 as the dynamic, interactive, or collaborative web. It includes blogs, wikis, podcasts, vodcasts, and networking. In our book, Spector described blogs as written creations that could become artifactual data later, and that the learner could go back and look at them and examine their own change over time, and so could mentors or teachers and instructors examine these creations to give them formative assessment or feedback. Twitter is another example. Our book talked about how it develops backchat or back channels as they engage in learning activities. Wikis is a web-based writing space that could be individual, but is designed for collaborative written pieces. And so this is where students can really research and share their critical analysis of a topic. Another thing that they described was the online discussions, which are what we use. And so they are frequently assessed for formative assessment and feedback on an ongoing basis in a course. So in the educational area, I have used Twitter in the past for an undergrad class. It was a Christian worldview and culture class, and we were required to tweet about what we had talked about that day in class. And then we were required to reply to 2 different tweets, but all of our posts were to be deep thinking responses or statements to religion or Christianity or any of the other topics that we had researched. And so we found that to be a very creative way for us to really understand a topic and be able to communicate it through a tweet. I know high school English teachers use blogs for students to write responses on their books, and so they keep it for a long time, and they can read someone else's blog about the book that they're reading, and students really like that. Wikis, I think, would be a very fun and engaging way for students to research and learn about a topic. They would really be able to cement their knowledge because they're being asked to write it. So these are some examples of some ways that you could use Web 2.0 in an educational sense. And personally, I have used blogs in the past, and I really enjoy them to really read on what people are thinking or a popular topic, and you can read a blog to find out just personal opinions and thoughts. So that's been really fun. So yeah, thanks.